not to put our tinfoil hats on, but that algorithm, it does not want you taking action.
That's
It
right.
does not, because where does it want you?
Yeah.
It wants you right there going, well, if I just know about this a little bit more. Like, that's something I'm dealing with right now, and it's terrifying. I don't bring it up with my wife. My wife's on the devices a lot. That's great. It's awesome. It's exactly what I wanted in life, right? The most beautiful woman in the world, and I love her to death, and she can do her thing, and that's great. But I, as an outsider, I'll look and I'll be like, man, she's been scrolling on that for
We've been there a minute.
a minute, right? And then I'll go on. I have multiple accounts on social media. I don't have a ton of followers. I got a little bit, about 1 million, I think. But I go on there and I'm like, I just have to post. I'm trying to, because I have my daily goal sheets that I do, and I've got my posts and everything that I got to do to hit my goals. And I'm like, I'll go on there to make a post. And all I'm trying to do, here's the mission, James. I have the video already. I'm trying to post it on TikTok. I'm trying to post it on Instagram. I'm trying to post it on YouTube, and I'm trying to post it on LinkedIn. I'll be darned if I'll go to post something on LinkedIn, I don't even get to the upload. I'm not kidding you. Like, it's something, I'll be like, what? Oh, I got to see if this motorcycle crashes. And it's the stuff I hate sometimes. It's like, I hate that I'm tapped in on this. And then the next thing you know, I'm watching a skydiving video. And then the next thing I know, I'm watching the president skydiving. And then the next thing I know, I'm watching somebody complain about the president. And it's been 23 minutes of my life gone. And all I was trying to do was post the darn video. So it's really weird. I don't know what it is that gave us this, but if there are, whether it's God, whether it's aliens, I don't know what it is, but somebody might be going, this is the ultimate experience. Let's give James, I got a good one for you guys. Let's give James a tool that will allow him to be 100 times more successful. But at the same time, if used improperly, will completely allow him to destroy himself. And I don't know, let's just see what happens.
Yeah.
Right? And I think that's the paradox that we're all dealing with, is we can research, we can find out what's going on. I can connect with you 5 ways to Sunday any single day. I can hit you on this, I can DM you on this, but then I get distracted. And then when I do it, to your point, I don't press connect. And in all of this research, I never even thought about what was the message that I'm going to send you when I do connect. So it's like, I can't imagine what's going on with the teenagers and them asking other people out on dates, but my guess is they're pretty horrible at it. You know, so it's like we have all of these ways to connect with each other, but we have the channel set up, but we don't know what to say when we say anything. That's gotten exponentially worse. I was always great at that. But I'll tell you what, my competition back then was a lot stronger than it is now.
Hey, Dad, what's the fastest way to start making more money in sales?
All right, it's not the only way, but the fastest way is to learn a simple system for closing. And I'm going to help everybody out on that right now. We've got a closing mini masterclass at Easton University. It's $300. Not for you. I'm going to cover the cost for you. I'll pay the $300. Just click the link here. You're going to get my closing mini masterclass for free. This is the fastest way for you to make more money. We're going to become best friends. You're going to be like, Matt Easton, I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'm going to be like, I love you too, because you're going to be closing a lot more deals. I'm covering the cost. Click the link. Let's get you closing.